Hey guys, welcome back. Another soaked in oil production. Today we're working on the $40 Husky pressure washer. This is a 2600 PSI pressure washer. It's got the Kohler Courage XT7 motor, which is 173 cc. Like I said, I bought this thing for 40 bucks. Found it on Craigslist. Kid was asking 120. I talked him down. I said, hey, 40 bucks, take it or leave it. He said, all right, I'll take 40. So we got it for 40. It does have some issues. As you can see back here, the inlet on the pump is completely corroded off. Easy fix. 70 bucks. We got ourselves a new pump, so we're gonna throw that on. Let's see what else. The motor starts and runs. It doesn't run without the choke on, so the carb's got to be addressed. I pulled the carb off already. It's pretty badly beat. It looks like the kid tried to take it off and fix it himself, and he actually stretched out the float needle spring. So I have another carb coming as well. What else? We're going to change the spark plug, and then we're going to change the oil, and this should be mint. This unit was around 450 to 475 new, so we're going to have about 140 bucks into this thing by the time we're done, and it should run like brand new. So without further ado, let's get started on this new pump install. That's what she looks like. Nice and shiny. Let's put her on now. The only thing you want to keep in mind is this keyway has to line up with the keyway on the crankshaft. So it's about as easy as it gets. All right, now she's on there. We're gonna line up the holes. There's one here, one in the back, and one over here. All right, back in business. We got the new pump on. Water inlet, that's the part that we didn't have on this bad boy. Took a little bit of love to get the water outline, or the pressure line, out of this fitting here. It was pretty well rusted in there, and the water didn't smell too good coming out of there. So, but as you can see, comparison, this is the piece right here by my finger that was missing. It's over there. So we're back in business now. we can spray some water. Next up is going to be changing the spark plug and changing the oil. So let's keep moving. Let's see if we did this right. Looks about right. So the NGK replacement for this Kohler Courage XT7 173cc is going to be B as in boy, K as in kilo, R as in Rocco, 5, E as in Echo. That's BKR 5E. Alright, this is the last attempt, I promise. We had to Frankenstein the new carb because I didn't realize until I got it in that the new carb has a pulse line fitting right here. I tried to plug it and then I was like, you know what, let's just take it off and take the parts out and use the parts from this in the old carb. So that's what we did. That would be the third time taking the carb off this bad boy and putting it back on, so I'm getting pretty good at it now, but just wanted to be perfectly honest and transparent with what's going on with this project. So that's what we're doing. Another sneak peek over here. This is going to be the next build video. Just a little teaser for you, so let's keep moving. Well, I'd say she works. I want to check that out. So there we go. We got her running. She's working good. Smoking a little bit because she hasn't run for a while, but that's all right. We're gonna heat her up and then we're gonna change the oil. So I'm gonna keep working on my walkway here.